Hi, it's Kristen, and I hope you are having a great February. As you know, coming up is Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, and just any generic night out, day out that you're going to have, because of course you're going to have a day out, night out sometime this year. So I'm here to help you with something that is maybe a little bit different than you might be expecting. I'm not going to do a pink heart colored eye, which was what I was planning at first. Instead, I'm going to be sharing with you some very important information. It took me many years, but I finally found it. The perfect meal-proof, drink-proof, kiss-proof lipstick. The product I'm going to be sharing with you today is the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Lip Color. This product comes with two different items. You have the bottom coat, that's your lip color, and then the top coat, that's like a moisturizer that keeps your lips feeling nice and smooth. The bottom coat is a lip color that looks like any other liquid lipstick. It comes in a little tube with a doe foot applicator, just like this, and you're going to apply this onto your lips very easily and just wait for it to sit for about 2 minutes. Next, you have your top coat that I was talking about. It looks like a lip balm, and you're just going to put that over top and you're done. It's 100% foolproof. I've tried this lipstick with oily meals that usually take off whatever lip color I'm wearing, and it's done absolutely nothing. It's never gone onto my straw or the rim of a cup and shown up there. And when I've kissed people, it doesn't show up on their cheek, or if you're trying to have that special moment, it's not going to feel all icky to their lips, or so I've been told. Another thing that's great about this is once you're done with your lip color and you just want to like toss it, you can totally just keep the moisturizer and use it. It has sunflower seed oil in it, which is great and hydrating for your lips. So you can use up the entire product and not have any problems. And if you do use up the moisturizer first, you can actually purchase that on its own. I'm wearing the shade 910 Light Warm, and it's from their custom Nudes line. This is great. It's actually, I think, newer than the original line that they had in this formula. And what I like about it is that they tried to incorporate a nude for every skin tone. I haven't tried every single one, so I'm not sure what they all look like, but I think that's really great that they're trying to be inclusive. Another thing that's great about nudes is that if you do happen to smudge it a bit, or if a little bit comes off, no matter what formula you're wearing actually, whether it's this or something else, it's a little bit easier to reapply quickly without anybody noticing that you smeared your lipstick, just because it looks so close to your lip. That's a little tip that I wanted to include, so hope it helps. Again, this is the Outlast All Day Lip Color. You can buy it wherever CoverGirl products are sold for just under $10. So thanks for sitting with me and letting me share one of my favorite long-lasting lip products with you. Like if you like, don't if you don't. Subscribe below. Bye for now, and happy Valentine's Day.